Hey, welcome you all. So we brought one new cage for our parrot. As we all fear to enter into something new, even the parrot is the same. So there's a kiosk on the back side. So here is a tray which we can remove and clean it. And it's made up of all stainless steel, so it will be good. We are expecting that it will be good for it. There are two plates type, one for liquid and one for solid. And at last she entered into the cage.
I want it. Here's a metaphor for my life.
Hope so she will be fine
McDonald's to get
within two,
healthy.
three
Tell me
days.
how that makes sense.
Let's wish good luck for her.